YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy NateJustDope, back with another video, and JD Nation was down with it, man. As y'all see by the title, today's video is going to be a review on my actual up-and-coming product. So what I'll be doing for you guys is showing you guys a twist out, you know what I'm saying, a stretch twist out. So tonight I'm gonna actually be twisting up my hair with this, and then tomorrow I'm gonna take it out to show you guys the results of an overnight twist out, you feel me? So like I said in my introduction video for this, when you put it in your hand and rub it together, it actually melts in your hand, bro. So, and it smells good. Definitely smells good, bro. So I can't wait to go ahead and see the outcome of this with a twist out, bro. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a review for you guys and let you know how it works out. Right now, this is actually like a 2-week-old twist out right here. And as y'all see, the curls are like gone, completely gone. You feel me? So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, give you guys a full review and let you guys know how it works and how it comes out, man, for my twist out. And then also later on this week, or probably like next week, I'm gonna do a braid out for you guys. So got some major heat coming for you guys. I know I haven't posted last week on this channel. That's because I wanted to make really good quality videos on this channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my 6-year anniversary video, man. So hey, I'm definitely happy about that. But yeah, definitely be on the lookout for more videos after this video. I do have some ideas that I want to drop on this channel for this week after this video, man. So definitely be on the lookout, man. But yeah, with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into it. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair and then detangle and then, you know, actually put in this product with a 2-strand twist. So yeah, let's go ahead and dive right into it. Let's get it.
Pop perky just to start a pop 2 cups of purple just to warm up 2 cups. Drink. I heard your bitch, she got that water. Splash, drip, splash. Slippery. Excuse me, please me. I'm up, believe me. Get me, cause I'm flexing Rarries. You can bet on me. Taylor top, niggas on my radar watch. Crack a dog, turn on to some data shots. Iced out watch, round 10 o'clock. Round, keep the damn thing, it's 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. I'm gon' pop. If I don't, I'm back to the pot. I got bras, big bills, big arms. Stomach gun, come out and play, let's have fun. Big scales, fish scale, big weight. Iceberg, ice tray, plug car. Try to front, I don't need it. Pocket strong, wrist need me strong. Get freezing, young nigga, pay your deeders. Grandma, Auntie Epic, Auntie Nisa, Uncle Bo, Auntie Greta, Surrey Perkins, Auntie Eva. If she got a pound, she might just serve it. Pop a perky just to start it. Pop 2 cups of purple just to warm up 2 cups. Drink. I heard your bitch, she got that water. Splash, drip, splash. Slippery. Excuse me, please me. I'm up, believe me. Get me, cause I'm flexing Rarries. You can bet on me. All set. Slippery. She numbing me, that tongue on me. Honestly, she fuck with me, a wife to be. In Italy, up first, look like the wildebeest. Just chill with me, shit is no worry, it is a bill to me.
Alright, YouTube, so I got my hair twisted up, man. Y'all see, I did kind of thick twist because I'm not gonna be wearing these out. I'm just gonna be taking them out tomorrow, so I ain't really focused on like look too much, you know what I'm saying? I just wanted to, you know, get some real good twist in and let them sit overnight, and then I'm gonna take these out tomorrow. Probably like in the afternoon. Probably not early in the morning, but sometime in the afternoon. So I'll finish filming this video tomorrow. So yeah, with that being said though, I'm gonna go ahead and go to sleep, and I'll talk to y'all later. Well, tomorrow. Deuces. Tomorrow. Alright, YouTube, so it's the next morning, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair down. Now I did stretch my hair so I can do a stretch twist out, man. I did the banding method. Y'all know, if y'all seen the videos, y'all know what the banding method is, man. If not, go ahead and check out some of my previous banding method videos. But anyway, let's go ahead and dive right into it, man. I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair down, stretch twist out for my 6th year, and also for the review, man. So hey, it's all in one. So yeah, here we go, bro. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it down. I'm not gonna show like me taking all of it down, you feel me? But you know, just to kind of like get it started up. You know what I'm saying? Boom. So I did stretch my hair. Boom. So yeah, man, we're about to see the results for, you know, my hair product, and we're gonna see how it came out, man. So I'm gonna do the first back section, and then y'all know how I do work my way to the front. So yeah, let's go and dive right into it. And yo, this, look, let me, you feel me? Yo, I ain't gonna lie. And yo, I ain't even trying to boost or nothing because it's my hair product and nothing like that, but bruh, this is the softest my hair has been in a long time. Even with like using like the As I Am hair products and stuff like that, like I'm not like trying to come at them or anything like that, but this is the softest my hair has been in a long time, dog. Like, and then also I did use my, y'all know, my black Jamaican castor oil, you feel me? But oil is already in the product already, but I just wanted to add it because, you know, I was, you know, taking down my hair and stuff. But bro, this, and my hair is still like a little bit damp in like the middle. So hopefully that doesn't shrink, doesn't cause no shrinkage throughout the day or nothing like that. But bro, like dog, I ain't even trying to boost it right now, bro, because I don't want y'all to say like, yo, you being biased because it's your product. This is my full like genuine reaction to this, bro. Like, I have yet to try it. This is my first time trying it, and then last night my hair was like hard as a rock. Well, not hard as a rock, but it was very like rough. Yo, this is crazy. Hold up. Alright, hold up. Yeah. So my true and honest opinion on it, bro, or my full review on it, I definitely can say that, you know, if your hair is like kind of like hard and stuff like that, like if your hair is hard, it'll definitely make it soft. Now this is just overnight. If I would have left this in for like 2 or 3 days, I can only imagine what the result would have been. But I just wanted to do it overnight just to see like how it would play out, and I'm definitely impressed. I'm definitely impressed with my results, and it looks fluffy, bro. Like, it looks fluffy. Like I'm not used to my hair being fluffy. You know what I'm saying? But it looks very fluffy. Like, oh, look at that bounce back. Boom. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Like, hold up. Boom. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me do one more. Boom. Yeah, that's like, yo, man, this is crazy, bro. I like this. I like it a lot. I like it a lot, bro. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know me. I don't really like twist outs like that. I like braid outs. But this, I ain't gonna lie, hold up. The hair blowing in the wind, you know what I'm saying?
The hair blowing in the wind?
I do have some more samples that came in that are the scented versions. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that in another video. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. So if you're new, you like what you see, go down, hit the subscribe button, and once you do that, hit the bell so y'all can be notified when I drop the videos, because they will drop randomly like I always say. Definitely be on the lookout for, you know, something major, you feel me, regarding this. So I seen all of the name suggestions too, man. Hey, those were some dope names. Those were some really dope names, man. Y'all really had me thinking. So I'ma see, bro. Probably for like another video later on this week, I'll probably like let you guys know what I'm really thinking about naming it. But if you guys can name it for sure too, definitely comment down some more name ideas that y'all can come up with, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, with that being said though, go ahead and subscribe to my Watch with Nate channel and also subscribe to my Life with Nate channel, man. Reactions are on my Watch with Nate channel and vlogs and Forex content is on my Life with Nate channel, man. I really wanted to get it to 1K by the end of this month, so definitely go over there and support the boy. If you really support NateJustDope, you would go subscribe to both, man. And yeah, I think that's it. So now, with that being said, it's your boy, NateJustDope, signing out. Deuces.
I'm off this
I couldn't get a bill paid. You couldn't buy the real thing. I was staying over your place, trying to figure out the whole thing. I saw people doing things. I don't think I want to use the thing. But we all so small now.